Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw an island. Let's start off by drawing a long wavy line through the water. Then, draw a line arching up out of the water here. And another arching up on the other side. For some rocks, draw a really lumpy looking shape here, and a smaller one here, and a taller one over here. Then, continue the arch lines in between the rocks. Next, draw a palm tree. To learn how to draw a palm tree, check out our other video linked in the description below. I'm going to draw just one palm tree, but you can draw multiple if you like. To add some more detail, draw some really thin lines on the rocks for some texture. Some zigzags around the rocks and tree for some grass. And lastly, some groups of dots around the island for a sandy texture. As always, you don't need to draw a lot, just a few are enough to get the idea across. And now you've got an island.